Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to display two column layout using custom CSS with ID in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page. Now you see two column layout. So we are going to display two column layout for mobile layout. Now you see edit container or column. So click on it. And then you see layout style advanced. So we are in advanced and we are going to add CSS ID. Now you see we added column to mobile CSS ID. So you can add CSS ID according to requirement. Now you see second column. So click on edit container and go to advanced and then scroll down. Again you see CSS ID column to mobile. So we added same CSS ID in two column. So we are going to display two column layout in mobile layout. So edit CSS ID and then click on update. So after that we are going to add CSS with CSS ID. Now go to customize section. We are in additional CSS. Now paste and you will find all the CSS in video description or in comment section. So we are going to apply changes on mobile layout only. Now you see media screen, maximum width 680px pixel and minimum width 100 pixel. And then you see CSS ID we added hash column to mobile and then we added width 50% important. If you want you can add padding also, but these changes apply on maximum width screen 680 and minimum 100 pixel. So you can add maximum width for mobile layout according to requirement. Now we added 680 pixel and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see two column layout for desktop. Now resize Chrome window. Now click on it. Now you see two column layout. Now expand again. Now you see one column layout. Now two. So this is a mobile layout. Now you see. Now click on it. So you can add CSS ID and then add custom CSS. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.